At a family reunion, food isn't just food, it's history you can taste.
A family reunion moment.
You know, you can tell a lot about a family by what's on that reunion table. It's more than just a meal. It's a living scrapbook, a collection of memories and traditions passed down through generations. Every plate, every bowl, every serving spoon has a story to tell. From Grandma's secret recipe sweet potatoes to Uncle Joe's experimental ribs, family reunion food tells our story. It's the taste of home, the comfort of familiar faces, and the laughter that fills the air as everyone gathers around. Every dish holds a little bit of history, a sprinkle of love, and sometimes a dash of disaster. But that's what makes it real. It's not just about the food, it's about the people, the stories, and the love that brings us all together year after year. Gentle music, soft pause. When you walk into a family reunion, the first thing you notice isn't just the laughter or the hugs, it's the aroma drifting from the kitchen, the familiar dishes that have been passed down for generations. Each plate tells a story, a memory, a connection to those who came before us. It's more than food, it's tradition on a plate. These recipes are handwritten, sometimes stained with love, and always served with pride. As families gather, sharing these meals becomes a way to honor our roots, celebrate our culture, and create new memories together, one delicious bite at a time. Let's talk about the good stuff first. The reunion staples, you know the ones. The dishes that always show up, no matter whose house it is, no matter what city you're in. These are the flavors that bring everyone to the table, year after year. The mac and cheese that's so creamy it needs its own security guard. It's the first thing gone, and there's always a little friendly competition over who made it best this year. The peach cobbler that disappears faster than the family gossip. Sweet, warm, and always made with love. It's the taste of summer and togetherness. And of course, the fried chicken that's been passed down from someone who don't measure, they just know. It's golden, it's crispy, and it's the heart of the table, a recipe that lives in the hands and memories of every generation. Then there's the grill zone. Sacred space at every family reunion. Here the uncles gather, each claiming the title of the real pitmaster. Smoke fills the air, mingling with the sound of laughter and music. This is where half the memories are made. Someone's got ribs sizzling, another's flipping burgers, and the aroma is irresistible. Kids play nearby, families chat, and everyone's drawn to the grill. And there's always that one uncle guarding the grill, saying with a grin, "Don't touch that yet, it ain't done." It's these moments filled with love and laughter that make the reunion unforgettable. But let's be honest, not every dish at the family reunion is a winner. Every family's got those legendary recipes, but there's always a few that miss the mark. You know the ones, like that mystery casserole nobody can identify, no matter how many times you ask. Or the potato salad that's been sitting out in the sun just a little too long, looking a bit more questionable by the minute. And let's not forget that one cousin who insists they can bake, but their desserts could double as bricks. Still, everyone gathers around, sharing laughs and side eyes, because it's all part of the experience. Those not-so-great dishes, they're just another reason to come together, to tease, to reminisce, and to celebrate the love that makes every family reunion unforgettable. Every dish, good or bad, becomes a story you tell at the next reunion. Remember when Aunt Lisa tried to make vegan ribs? Yeah, we still talk about that. It's not just about the food, it's about the memories that come with it. Each plate carries a piece of family history, a recipe passed down, or a new experiment that sparks laughter. These moments become legends, retold year after year. The burnt mac and cheese, the surprise hit potato salad, the time someone forgot the sugar in the sweet tea. All of it becomes part of our family's story, woven together with love, laughter, and a whole lot of flavor. Here's the real truth. When it comes to family reunions, it's not about perfection, it's about participation. Every dish, every helping hand, every laugh and story shared adds something special to the table. Maybe you bring grandma's famous greens, your cousin's cupcakes, or even just a pack of store-bought rolls. It doesn't matter if you're a master chef or just picking something up on the way. What matters is that you show up, you contribute, and you're present. That's what makes the meal and the memories so rich. When everyone brings a little something, everyone belongs. That's the real recipe for love at a family reunion. Gentle music, pause. Family recipes aren't just about taste. they're about legacy. Each dish tells a story, connecting generations through flavors and memories. When a grandmother serves her special recipe, she's sharing more than food. She's passing down wisdom, tradition, and love. These moments at the table are where laughter is shared, stories are told, and bonds are strengthened. It's in the way hands pass a homemade dish, in the smiles exchanged, and in the warmth that fills the room. This is how love is passed down, one spoonful at a time from one generation to the next. At your next family reunion, don't just fill your plate, fill your heart and your mind too. Take a moment to sit with your elders. Ask them about the recipes that have been passed down through generations and listen to the stories behind every dish. Watch how your aunt seasons the greens or how your uncle grills the chicken just right. Write down the little secrets, the measurements, the memories. Share a laugh, share a memory, and share the love that's baked into every bite. Because one day, that famous family recipe might be yours to carry on. And the stories you collect today will feed your family for generations to come. Gentle music, soft pause. Every family's got a recipe for love, and it usually starts in the kitchen. It's in the way hands reach for the same bowl, the laughter that bubbles up as flour dusts the air, and the stories shared over simmering pots. These moments, simple and warm, are the secret ingredients that bind generations together.